The Narex hand-stitched rotary rasps are uniquely shaped tools that allow the craftsman to sculpt and refine details in wood, plastic, and even soft stones quickly and easily. And they can reach into tight places that are not accessible with other shaping tools, opening up endless creative possibilities. Available individually or in a 10-piece money-saving package, these rotary rasps take advantage of traditional manufacturing techniques to remove material quickly while leaving a smooth surface. The irregular tooth pattern created during the hand stitching process has the added benefit of making these tools very easy to control. This is an important detail to note considering these rasps are intended to be powered by a handheld drill. The Narex rotary rasps are available in several different shapes, including cylinders, cones, balls, and complex shapes. Each features roughly 60 teeth per square centimeter, producing an exceptionally smooth surface, requiring a minimal amount of sanding to be ready for finish, while still removing material quickly. The Narex rotary rasps are intended for use in handheld drills or other low-speed tools, and are not suitable for use in high RPM tools such as routers. Narex recommends not exceeding 3,000 RPM with these rasps. As with any high-quality tool made of high-carbon steel, simple standard maintenance is required. After each use, we recommend cleaning with a stiff nylon or brass bristled brush to remove sawdust from the teeth, followed by a light coat of oil to prevent rust. With proper care, use, and storage, your Narex rotary rasps will be ready for years of faithful service.